The first tool we're going to use is a piece of 80 grit sandpaper. What I'm going to use the sandpaper for is where we've scraped off the old paper that was on there. It's a little bit rough, as you can see along there. So what we're going to do is we're going to very lightly run over that with this 80 grit paper, and that will remove any remnants of paper that are still on there, because we want a clean piece of wood for our glue to stick to. And you'll notice I'm using my middle finger here as a stop so we don't roll up across here. I'm limiting the travel with my finger so I can then roll it backwards and forwards like so. It's a little bit of a catch on that corner. I'll take that off. All right, we'll roll around this side here. The timber's pretty clean, but we're going to make sure that we've got the best surface, and that one there's pretty rough. You'll see a difference on this one. We're going to have the best surface for the glue to stick on. Roll that backwards and forwards, gets rid of all the high spots, and takes the old paper off. Down here, I've decided to leave the hook and the bellows lift wire on this one to show that you can change Tyvek paper on a set of bellows without having to remove everything. And that is looking pretty clean now. There's a tiny little bit up there, and that has come off. All right, that's the first one. We'll run round the pipe. It's looking rather good actually. That won't take long to clean up. A little bit on the front there. We'll run over that. Make sure it's nice and smooth. A little bit of glue there from last time. And the little bit underneath doesn't really matter. We don't want any imperfections up here, because that will affect how the bellow top operates. Take that little bit out, and round the back it's a bit scruffy, so we'll run over that. Tiny bit on the corner. Right, that's nice and smooth. Check the bellows top. I think all the rough edges have gone. All right, that's that. Now we're ready to move into the next step. I'll just clean this up and then we'll start again. All right, we're ready to start sorting out our Tyvek paper. Now the first thing we're going to do is we'll make a little hinge to go on the back of the pipe and the bellows. We line them up, take our rule and measure and see how long that piece is. 30 millimeters by 10. Put the pipe and the bellows top down again, 30 by 10. I'll cut that with a scalpel. All right, take up our pipe and bellows top again. Align them and just check to make sure our hinge is going to fit, and that is what we're looking for exactly. Take the top off our glue, align the top and the pipe. We'll put a slight squeeze line along there, and you've got to squeeze that very, very tightly. Place it on top, align it squarely, and then tap it down to remove any air bubbles in it. And I'll hold that for a minute or so to give that a chance to set. Alright, that's been about a minute. Let's see how we go. Lift that up. That's looking alright. That bonded pretty quickly actually. I was rather surprised. I didn't think it'd bond quite as quickly as that. Alright, now we need to cut a piece of Tyvek paper to go from here all the way around and back to there with a tiny little overlap, about 5 mils on either side of that to hold it all together. So we'll start measuring, and we find that a side is 55 and this should be 30 also again. Notebook out. 55 plus 30 plus 55 plus 2 times 5 is 150 millimeters long, up 30 millimeters. So 35 millimeters wide, opening 35 millimeters. So there's our data. Now we need a larger piece of Tyvek paper. Now we want 35 millimeters in height. Any excess we'll trim off on the bellows top. 35. All right, now we want 150 millimeters. So that is the Tyvek paper that's going to wrap round the bellows and the pipe. Alright, the next thing we need to do is we need to find out where that section there of the bellows and the pipe is going to sit on the piece of Tyvek paper that we've just cut. So I'll fold that in half. That'll put a dent in our paper, which we'll put sideways. That's our mark there. I'll put a very fine line on that with a mechanical pencil. That'll give us a starting point so we can see where we have to go. Now, we have to place the bellows so that that line is in the center of the bellows. I'll make a mark there with a mechanical pencil and one there. Put that aside, make two small parallel lines, one to the left, the bellows, the other one to the right. Now we can see that that is where the bellows are going to go. Alright, next step, we're going to glue the bellows and the pipe open in that position there. So we'll check it once by lowering it down and making sure that we've got the lines aligned correctly. So what happens now, we put some glue on both these faces and then very carefully align the pipe on the bottom and then lower the top into the correct position. We'll just hold it there for a moment. I'll pat that down to make sure it holds, and what we're going to do now is we're going to run this paper all the way back up there, and then with this tiny little bit left here on the corner that I mentioned before, I'm going to put that around the back. So I'll start off by putting some glue along here. Alright, so now holding the pipe and the bellows top open, roll the Tyvek paper back and press it down on both faces to get good solid join. Right, see what we sound like. Finger over the screw hole. Alright, now we're going to trim up the Tyvek paper. We've got to be careful not to get caught on those couple of pieces of wire there. I'll just mark it first. I'm going to come down to there, along that line there. Alright, using my scalpel, I'll just cut a neat line down there, tiny bit over the front there, trim that up. Scalpel sure makes easy work of cutting this. I've used various razor blades and stuff. They all tend to drag. Alright, now I'll come back from the top here along there and cut that piece first, still caught at the back, and then along the bottom of the bellows top, cut along there. A pair of scissors might be marginally more efficient there. Alright, that's got that off. I'll cut that piece off. Caught on the end a little bit. And I'll trim up that little bit there and that bit on the corner. Okay, let's see what we've got. Finger over the hole. Well, that's our first bellows. I'll now go and do the other one, and then we'll come back. Got the second bellows done. You can hear it's working okay. What I've got to do now is put this pin back into here and set it up, which isn't particularly easy to do, but we'll do it in small stages, pushing it in. There we go, a bit more, and it aligns that way. Now we'll put the lift wire in, which goes in there, and close it down to hold it in place. And there we have it. There they are. Put that in under there. The high note. Put our finger over there. And the high note. And the low note. There they are. And that's how you put Tyvek paper onto a set of bellows and pipes and repair them.